From the land where the waterfalls and the gateway of Agusan del Sur, mabuhay! Welcome to the land full of beauty, Santa Josefa, Agusan del Sur. Before the municipality got its name, Santa Josefa was known to history as it was only an immense expanse of bushlands way back then. The land perfused with wildlife and fertile soil. It was during the American regime in the country that one of the most prominent people, that so-called Commissioner of Mindanao and Sulu, visited the place and officially proclaimed its name as Santa Josefa in honor of his wife.
Nilikha dito sa sanlibutan, si Bathala Alayawe ay may dahilan. Kahoy, lupa, tubig, pag-ibig ay may kahulugan. Ang mga bagay-bagay ay may
Before, as we witness the tradition and culture ng araw ng Santa Josefa at the Hagal Festival had been a joyful and lovely people.
simbolo.
Despite the very challenging circumstances, the municipality of Santa Josefa dared to twice about consistently upgrade the economic with a fruitful harvest from the agrarian product and thus a supermarket development that catch a lot of investors.
Simbolo ng tubig ay buhay, dalisay, huni ng hangin, pag-ibig na lalakbay, binhi ng pangarap, lupa ang nagbantay.
The AGUSAN River is the primary drainage system of the entire municipality. Moreover, Santa Josefa recognized throughout Agusan del Sur as an agricultural heaven.
Refreshing sights can be also sighted here. It displays of resources like water that drives on like happiness and being refreshment. You will be acquainted with adventures and enjoyment experience located in one of the Santa Josefa's barangay, in the soul of Barangay Sayon, a relaxing view of Tugpan Falls, and another spot that glitters in your very eyes, the Binugwakan Falls. Here, you can celebrate occasions with your loved ones, friends, and family.
View deck and productive lemon juice processing in Patrocinio, one of the main sources of livelihood of our dear farmers.
As the darkness sits in a lovely sky, delicious street foods, barbecues, and even the famous balut, poured with sour coconut vinegar, can satisfy your cravings at the night market of Santa Josefa beside the municipality hall of the Pahagan Village.
All such wonders that runs in your mind will be fulfilled. Come, witness, experience, and enjoy. Mabuhay Santa Josefa!